A lot of times it's called the Special Victims Division, as if there's something special about the victims experiencing gender-based violence. We're calling it out for what it is.
A new approach inside the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office.
Experiences of survivors have, been really clear that they feel marginalized often by work of police and investigators, and hearing what happened to them.
Brooklyn DA Eric Gonzalez gave us an exclusive look inside his office's new Gender-Based Violence Division, a team of 100 assistant district attorneys focused on sex crimes, sex trafficking, and domestic violence. Up until now, those cases were handled by separate bureaus and units.
You could be a victim of trafficking, and your trafficker can also be the person you're in a relationship with who's sexually assaulting you. We felt that to silo these bureaus really wasn't the best way.
Michelle Kaminsky will head the newly created division. She started in the Brooklyn DA's office 30 years ago.
And back then, the Domestic Violence Bureau was in this small little office at the criminal courthouse with some broken chairs.
Now, in addition to 100 ADAs, the Gender-Based Violence Division will also include 30 social workers.
Often a survivor, their immediate need is not the prosecution of a case, but to get assistance, to get the abuse to stop, to get assistance with housing and family court and other things. So we put the needs of our survivors first.
And unlike other divisions in the DA's office, one prosecutor will work with a survivor for the duration of their case.
They don't have to meet with different prosecutors and tell the story over and over again.
The launch of the Gender-Based Violence Division comes after years of protest and concern over how victims of sex crimes are treated throughout the city. Over the summer, the Department of Justice launched an investigation into the Special Victims Division of the NYPD and their treatment of survivors. That investigation is ongoing.
It was distressing to hear all the advocates and others who feel that women have been not taken seriously in large part when they report sex crimes. All the lawyers who are working here, working exclusively on gender-based violence issues, I think it's going to lead to people being really centered and feeling that the lawyers who work on their case really care about their cases in entirety.
The district attorney also hopes the new gender-based violence unit will help impact gun violence here in the city. The DA found that 20% of gun defendants over a 5-year period had experience with domestic violence, either personally or in their family. So this unit also hopes to provide resources to families going through these issues to help prevent future shootings.